So this has got to be one of the most useful and must-have GoPro accessories that I've ever had. But let's not waste any more time because it's Thursday. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. Links to everything I'm talking about will be down in the description, plus some coupon codes and a surprise link. And let's go ahead and start the clock. All right, check this out. This is from ZG Sign and my friends over at PerGear. This thing is awesome. It's a battery charger and so much more. And I also recently did a review of one of their similar products for the Rode Wireless Go, which I use all the time. Very useful, but let's stay focused on the GoPro. So you can charge up to 3 batteries at a time, and they also include these little brackets for older batteries to fit. It has 4 rubber and safe slots for your micro SD cards. And by the way, these are the cards you want to get. Those ones right there. Oh, and did I mention that it has a 10,400 milliamp hour rechargeable battery built into it? So not only can you just use this at home to charge your batteries, you can also use this on the go. You can put your Hero 9, 10, and Duro batteries and fully charge all 3 of them twice over. That is so incredibly handy. It's also very safe with integrated circuits and multiple self-protection functions. There's also LED indicators on the front so that you know if your battery is fully charged and also how much battery power the box has left. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and USB-C to USB-A. So this basically acts as a power bank for your GoPro or your phone or anything else that charges with USB. And to top this off, you can get this for under $50. And again, links are in the description, and really, you should check this out. This is probably one of the most useful accessories I've ever had for the GoPro, and I will be using this all the time. Oh, sorry, time's up. All right, well, thanks again for tuning in on another 30-second Thursday. A lot of really fun products to review and really cool videos you do not want to miss. Really excited about these things coming up. All right, thanks, take care, and see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.